Hello friends, welcome back to this series of tenses. And in today's video part, you are in a high level. Congratulations, because you have already reached step by step. Okay, there's a word in English that is a study. A study wins the race. Okay, that means that is if you do your work. If you do your work every day, it doesn't matter it's slow, but if you continue it, then one day you will get succeed, and thus you have already get, because you are in at a high level. Congratulations everyone. And this video is created by me. Okay, so if you just watch it. And today we are going to start at a high advanced level tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, by all tenses that we have learned today, we will get know the uses of these tense, and also we will learn that is when to use it, how to use it, when not to use this tense, which errors that we do. Okay, so by watching to this part, you will gain you will gain much knowledge. Okay, so today we are just get introduced with this tense, so no more talking, let's get started. Okay, look at the board. We have learned the present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect, and now today we will learn present perfect continuous tense. Okay, or we can also say present perfect progressive tense. Okay, there are two names of this tense, but we can call this only one. Okay, it's the only one tense. So here, in today's part, when the present perfect continuous tense is generally used, see, here we can get that is connects present plus past, and started in past and continuing in present. So here we can get the 2 points, and 2 points are correct or not. These are correct. And these are the definition of present perfect continuous tense. So let's check. So here I have made a short comparison with a one tense between present perfect and present perfect continuous. Okay, to make you all understand what's the difference here. Is there any difference between these sentences? I have taught English. I have been teaching English. What's the difference? In English language, there's a difference. In present perfect, if we say I have taught English, it starts from the past. It starts from the past, from past to present, and still now I have taught English. For example, this from past to present, you have taught English. Now you are done. You don't have to teach again. Okay, from past to present. But if we say present perfect continuous, the action starts from what? The past, and it's still now, till now, including now, the action is continuing. The action is happening. The action is running. Okay, we don't know when will it stop, because the foundation of this past, okay, and it indicates the present. So when the action will be, and we don't know. Okay, so this is called present perfect continuous. On these, we generally add I have been teaching English. On that time, we can say and I have taught English. I hope that this present perfect generally indicates the effort and the result from the past to present. And present perfect continuous tense indicates that it's something started in the past, the foundation of the past, and till now, in this time, in this period, that action is running. It doesn't want to stop. So I hope I have make you all clear. So let's see a little bit of overview, that is how the present perfect continuous tense is used. See here, we generally use have been with these subjects: I, we, you, they. I have been learning, we have been learning, you have been learning English. They have been learning French at her mother's house. But it changes a little bit. We generally use has been with these words, okay, with these words. For example, let's say he, she, it. He has been learning, she has been learning, it has been learning. So it's a little bit of overview about present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so I hope you have get it very well. And if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video, everyone. And see you in the next video, everyone. And bye for now.